especially in classics. These always seem to sell quickly, and we don't get them in too often. This particular model here is a 1963 Mercury Comet. And a lot of modern upgrades done to this car that's going to make it drive, perform a lot nicer than actually it would have back in 1963. And I'll hit on some of those highlights as we go around this car. First of all, underneath the hood, rebuilt 200 cubic inch inline six. That's paired up with a rebuilt C4 automatic transmission. One of the things converted on this car, 5 lug wheels. We'll get into that in just a bit. Paint coat of B, peacock turquoise. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. Chrome bumper up front, and the bright work as far as the grille and headlight surrounds. As far as the paint, it has a nice shine to it, as you can see, and would look good at any roll-in, cruise-in, any of your local shows. But there's a few spots where there's been a touch-up, see right there, and a couple small ones down here. So is the paint perfect on it? No, but does it still show well? Absolutely. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see this car from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're watching this video on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website. Look at the underside pictures. I'm going to talk about that in just a bit. You can also call us with questions, 507-386-1726. As you can see, riding on steel wheels, radial tires, and of course the Mercury wheel covers. I did mention 5-bolt wheel pattern behind that, so that has been upgraded. It also has been upgraded to Willwood disc brakes. On the front, you're also going to notice tubular control arms, struts, power rack and pinion steering, and like I said, that front disc conversion. It actually has a Mustang 2 new subframe or K-member, so check that out in the still pictures. Big difference from when this car was new. All right, a little bit of corrosion right down here at the lower portion of the door. Otherwise, these panels look pretty darn straight. Turquoise interior, vinyl seat up front, bench of course, seat belts. Very stock looking dash, and we will get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood, and if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road, take you for a virtual ride if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Chrome on the bumper on the rear looks like it's new. And once again, all those still pictures, take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Some other service work recently done to this. Brand new axles, bearings, and seals. Does have a Ford 8.8 rear end. Let's take a look down this driver's side. If you're into the Comets, these early 60s Mercurys or Fords, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase online or off our showroom floor. As you can see, panels look straight up and down this driver's side, and again, the paint has a nice shine to it. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. So again, with a two-tone turquoise. Surprised I got that spit out. Interior door panels, and of course the turquoise and the seating. I haven't really noticed any major rips, tears, holes in the vinyl. How about headliner? Headliner looks good. All right. Pretty cool dash for a little old Mercury. Nice bright work. Electric fuel pumping here. Looks like a fuel gauge is coming up. Fires right up. I did have the wipers working. Take a look at the top of the dash. Again, just pretty stock looking interior. Horn works. Door closes nicely. Let's slip around to the back of this so you can hear it run. Pretty quiet. I guess what you'd expect out of a 200 cubic inch inline 6. Speaking of which, let's go up and check it out. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood open. Let's check out the engine bay. There's a look at the underside of the hood, painted to match. There it is, inline 6, chrome valve covers, of course, power steering reservoir for the power steering pump, aluminum radiator, electric pusher fan, and again, that more modern front end. Check it out on the underside pictures. Looks like newer alternator. Fun car to drive, like I said, especially with the more modern upgrades. 1963 Mercury Comet. Our number 507-386-1726. That's the number to call with any questions. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1963 Mercury Comet in blue with a nice kind of blue and teal interior. Very nice interior. Bench seat in great shape. A lot of this car is in great shape. Fuel gauge is reading full. Temperature gauge just off of cold. Speedometer working as it should. Really looks like a well-maintained car. And in good colors too. Wipers work. Blower motor also works on this car. Of course, we've got the wing windows up front. That is a great thing that old cars had. I wish new cars still had that. Factory horn working well. Right in the middle, that Mercury emblem. The head of Mercury. Such a cool emblem. This a lot like the Ford Falcon, but Mercury's version, which I like better because it's a little less common. This car steers very nicely, drives nicely down the road. This doesn't even lean much in the corners. Could just be due to its size, a little smaller, a little lighter. Straight 6 power is definitely enough for this car. Really reliable, those straight engines. Great condition vehicle. Take a look at all the pictures and learn more about this Mercury Comet at uniqueclassiccars.com.